function of systems, it's a function of discipline, and it's a function of having tools around us. The reason I mention that is that running an agribusiness is becoming much more complex, fast-moving, and it's becoming more demanding, I believe, each year. A bit like demanding trying to talk with all these Pilbara flies in my face. We're seeing a lot more variability now. I believe that we're seeing increased rates of variability in the size of some of the swings of the factors that affect us in our business. So as a result, we need to make sure that we're in control of our agribusiness. We need to be very clear on what is our strategy to manage this current reality of variability and the other factors, internal and external, that drive your business. So what's your strategy to manage those? And we need to keep that simple. Got to have a really simple strategy around that. And I believe it's really important that you know what makes your particular business tick, because every business is different. And so if we look underneath the hood of your business, what makes it tick? What's actually driving it? What's driving profit, or what's holding back profit, or what's creating complexity where you don't need complexity? So to do that, like anything, we've got to be really curious. And we've got to be curious, and we've got to be courageous in terms of decision making. And I know there's a lot of decision fatigue that creeps into running a business with all the many factors that are involved with that. And so we've got to be constantly curious, and we've got to be courageous about how we approach that. So I would love to invite you to join me in Brisbane, where there won't be this number of flies, on June 18 for the RCS Business School. And so it's a 3-day intensive program where we do a deep dive into the fundamentals of business function, the fundamentals of business. What makes it tick? How do we structure your business? What systems can we use to analyse what makes that business work? And what do you do when you go home to help you with your decision making? It'll be a course where I'll challenge the way you look at things. It'll be a course where you'll challenge the way I look at things. And it'll be a course where we'll have a bit of fun along the way. It's a really jam-packed little 3 days. We'll learn from each other. We'll have a bit of fun. And I'd love to see you there, June 18 to 20 in Brisbane.